Level 0, survival. Work is pain, sleep is escape. Dream, luxury. Luxury equals warm soup. Luxury equals soap. Luxury equals not hearing your stomach talk. Caveman doesn't hustle. He endures. Pride a luxury too. Level 1, stability. A door that locks, a meal that waits. Shoes without holes. No more running from wolves, but still checks over shoulder. Every coin already spoken for. Toothache equals crisis. Lost job equals apocalypse. Caveman smiles more, but still expect war. Level 2, comfort. Lights stay on, fridge hums, debt sleeps quietly, but not deeply. Caveman buys chair he doesn't need. Not to sit, to feel control. He makes choices now, but only inside the cage. Rest feels like guilt. Time off, theft. Level 3, wealth. Caveman eats before he's hungry, flies across skies. Time bends for him. People ask him things. He says less, listens deeply, mostly to threats. He pays people to worry for him, but checks anyway. Trust is dead. Every smile has a price. He has freedom. With surveillance. Level 4, power. Caveman moves nations. Not with weapons, with wire transfers. He doesn't buy, he procures. He speaks in favors, makes problems disappear. He builds walls, then windows, then curtains. He's safe, but never relaxed. He no longer fears hunger. He fears people who are still hungry. Wealth doesn't erase fear. It just upgrades the alarm system. Caveman never really left the fire. He just bought better shoes.
불타오르네.